Hello friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, I will teach you how to change a calculator to a counting machine. Okay, most of the calculators support this feature, but some ones no. You can see here it is icon calculator. Model number is icon IK468. Okay, you can simply just convert this calculator to as a counter. So simply press 1 and plus button. So you can see here there is 1 and plus button added. Then you press this equal button. Again it is 2, again 3. So it is whenever you press, it will be count like this. So you can simply change your calculator as a counter. And this also work with multiple numbers like 4, 6, 8. So it is very useful. Okay guys, and if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.